Hello everyone. Welcome to the 15th episode of the JavaScript tutorial series. Today, we're diving deeper into one of JavaScript's most essential data structures, objects. In this episode, we'll explore how to work with nested objects, how to modify deep-level values, and how to add new keys dynamically. Let's begin our object deep dive.
By now, you already know how regular objects store key-value pairs, but sometimes those values can be other objects, and that's what we call nested objects. Let's look at a practical example. Here, the student object contains two nested objects, one under the key address, another under the key marks. This structure allows us to logically organize related data. For example, everything related to the student's address is grouped under the address key. To access a nested value, we chain property names using dot notation. Student.address.ct drills into the address object and returns Mumbai. Similarly, student.marks.maths gives us the math marks, which is 88. This is just like opening a box inside a bigger box. You can update nested values just like regular ones. Simply use the full path. We have updated the pin code inside address and the science marks inside marks. JavaScript does not care how deep the value is. As long as you use the correct path, it will find it and update it. You can also add entirely new properties to nested objects. We added a new key state to the address object and a new subject English to the marks object. This is very flexible system that allows objects to grow as your data grows. Let's take it a step further and nest an object within a nested object. This time we have nested an emergency object inside the contact object. To access the emergency contact's name, we write employee.contact.emergency.name, which returns a nil. This kind of structure is very common in real-world applications, especially in form data, user profiles and database records. Now, here is a challenge for you. Create an object called book with the following structure: title, JS Basics, author Kiran Desai, availability, an object containing status, available, issued to, null. Now update status to issued and add issued to with value Mohan Rai. Pause here to try it on your own. I will be showing the solution after some time. In the next episode, we will explore the math object in JavaScript. We will look at useful math methods, rounding numbers, and generating random values, especially handy for game development and interactive projects. Stay tuned.
That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this presentation, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you soon in the next video. Take care and bye for now.